Hello, children. Please open your books to page number 23. It's a new chapter we'll be doing reading today. The name of the chapter is Women of India. So here, all some of the pictures which are very famous pictures of women are given, and they did some of the other work for which they have become very famous in India. So try to remember their names and what they did. Here the names are given at the bottom of the page, and accordingly you have to match with what they did. I have done for you all. You all just need to write in these blanks, right spelling, and with the right matching you all need to write, and listen to this video properly, so that you all can write the all the names and come to know how. I guess most of you have heard about these names as well. Okay, so there are some of the famous women of India. These are some of the famous. There are many more obviously, but some of the famous women you should know what they did. Okay, the first one, by seeing the picture only, I guess many of you know her name. She is none other than Mother Teresa. So here it's given also, first Indian woman to receive the Nobel Prize. So she was awarded with Nobel Prize. She was the first Indian woman who was received Nobel Prize, and her name is Mother Teresa. She did a lot of work in her life which made her very famous. She was not at all bothered about her own self. She always cared for people who needed help. Whoever needed help, she was the first one to come up with any kind of help she could do. Okay, so her name is Mother Teresa, right over there in the blank. See the second picture. She is also very famous. Why? Because she is the first Indian woman IPS officer. Okay, Indian Police Service. She was the first Indian woman who became an IPS officer. Her name is Kiran Bedi. Please see from this option. This option will be the correct answer. See the spelling and write over here, Kiran Bedi. Her name is Kiran Bedi. Okay. Come to the third one, first Indian woman to go into space. Her name is very famous. She went to the space, but somehow we couldn't save her. But her name is Kalpana Chawla. You should remember that she was the first Indian woman who went to the space. Okay, her name is Kalpana Chawla. See, the name is given over here as well. See the spelling and write Kalpana Chawla. Come to the fourth one. She is very famous, first woman Prime Minister of India. Her name was Indira Gandhi. She was the first woman Prime Minister of India, but somehow with a very bad accident she died. She doing her work only, political work only, she died. But her name is very famous. Because why? Because she was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Come to the fifth one. She is also very famous. You all must have heard about her name as well. First woman President of India. Her name is Pratibha Patil. So such type of match the following might also come, that like one side Pratibha Patil is given and one side first woman President of India is given. You need to match accordingly. Okay, and come to the last one. She is known as the Missile Woman of India. Her name is Tessie Thomas. Tessie Thomas is very famous. For why? Because Missile Woman she is called. She is an Indian scientist. Okay, and she was the first Indian scientist who came up with a missile project. Okay, so she in defense, which is required, very much required. All missiles and all these are required, no, in defense. In the borders, soldiers are fighting. So she came up with a missile project. That is the reason why her name became Missile Woman. Okay. So you all need to remember all these 6 names and one line which is given in your books. So remember these one line. Apart from that, if you know something else, definitely we can share it in the class. Okay, other than this, just for your exam purpose, remember all these one lines and what is their names, because match the following or fill in the blanks will be coming from this chapter. Okay, please give a good reading and complete this work and send it to me. Okay, bye everyone. Bye for today.